Once in a forest, a footpath appeared and vanished with the moon's phases. Animals whispered tales of its magic. One night, a curious rabbit followed the path, hoping to find a treasure. As the path shimmered under the moonlight, it led to a hidden garden filled with glowing flowers. The rabbit realized the true treasure was the beauty of the garden. Suddenly, the path vanished, leaving the rabbit in awe. The rabbit learned that sometimes the journey itself is the reward. Remember, cherish the beauty around you, for it may not last forever.